Yeah.
Somehow ba, parang dating tuloy, parang may competition ba sa inyong dalawa? Yun muna.
Wala. Walang competition. Alam niyo, may sarili siyang career, may sarili rin akong career. At itong fan meet na to, hindi siya constant.
It is an experience, a one-of-a-kind
Parang
experience.
siyang fan meet pala. Parang siyang more like interaction.
An exclusive date with you, actually.
Yeah.
Parang mga Korean actor na nagpapanood.
Yes, parang gano'n. So, opa ako ngayon.
Ah,
So,
okay.
yeah.